how to adjust Gamma Calibration Input Level on Devant Smart TV. Now guys, on your remote, press the menu button. In menu, okay, go to settings. In settings, go to picture. And picture, go to picture mode settings. Here in picture mode settings, scroll down and find the expert settings. Okay, go to this. In expert settings, okay, you can see here the Gamma Calibration. Okay, go to Gamma Calibration. And now you can see the input level. And the input level is 5%. You can adjust the Gamma input level by go to this, and you can adjust to the right or to the left. So okay guys, for my example, I set the Gamma Calibration Input Level into 40%. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully adjust the Gamma Calibration Input Level on Devant Smart TV.